My name is Mr. Burby, and I'm your language arts teacher this year, and also one of the co-team leaders of the 7th grade.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Clark. You might know me as Miss Estes, but I've gotten married over the summer, so now I am Mrs. Clark. I'm your reading teacher and the other co-team leader.
What we want to do is kind of take you through a day in the life of a 7th grader, so you know where you're going and what your daily itinerary will look like. And we're starting at the entrance to the PAC. This is where, if you're a bus student, you'll be dropped off between 7:30 and 7:45 every day. And you'll be screened out here, someone will be screening you, and then when you're given the nod, you'll go in and go directly to your classroom. What do they do if their parents drop them off?
If you're a parent pickup or a walker, parent drop-off, you'll be dropped off around the parking circle as you normally would have been. You will be greeted and screened by a staff member at the front of the building. Once you've been given the okay to go in, you'll go straight up to your home base. If you choose to eat breakfast at school, you will still go upstairs to your home base and will be having breakfast in our home rooms. Once you get upstairs, you'll go to your locker and put your belongings away, and then go into your home base to watch morning announcements and do the flag salute. Hey, do you recognize where we are now? We're in the cafeteria. Of course, there'll be more tables when you're in here for lunch.
A lot of kids in this school will be eating in their classrooms, but 7th grade and 8th grade, we're going to be eating down here because there's room for 50 people if we only sit 2 to a table. And so that's what we're going to do. Lunch.
Mr. Burby, you can take your mask off to eat lunch.
Oh, right. Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the old way.
Welcome to the Brickway, your new home at Brewer Community School. Let's take a walk.
When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, even your year, but I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause I'm there for you too.
Your daily schedule in 7th grade. After homeroom, you will go to your 2 related arts classes. That is periods 1 and 2. After related arts, you'll be coming up to the Brickway. You just saw us all wave our hands to greet you. You'll be rotating for periods 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8 with a break in the middle for lunch between all of our classrooms. So you may start in my room and then we're going to be rotating around in a circle. If you start with Mr. Burby, then you'll be going on to my room, and then so forth.
At the end of the day, around 1:45, we're going to begin our dismissal process. And what that's going to mean is, if your parents pick you up, or if you're a walker, you'll be dismissed at 1:45 to come down and exit the front doors. But if you're a busser,
You're a busser, you're going to be exiting the building how you always have, out the maritime wing, down the administrative stairs in the back, and out to the buses over by the PAC.
this is going to be a very interesting adventure, and we're guaranteeing that will be better for you than if you were just hanging at your house. So get a good night's sleep, bring a snack, bring a water bottle, and get ready to learn.
Our motto this year is to expect the unexpected, that change is the only constant, and we look forward to a great year.
We do. See you later.